This Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LD delivers a gas V8 5.3 liters/325 engine powering this automatic transmission. Windows, power front and rear with driver express up and down and express down on all other windows. Wheelhouse liners, rear, wheel, full-size spare, 17, 43.2 centimeters, steel. This Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LD features the following options: visors, driver and front passenger illuminated vanity mirrors, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow/haul mode. Includes cruise-grade braking and powertrain grade braking, transfer case, electronic Autotrac with rotary dial control, included with 4WD models only, tire pressure monitoring system with tire fill alert, does not apply to spare tire carrier lock, keyed cylinder lock that utilizes same key as ignition and door, teen driver mode configurable feature that lets you activate customizable vehicle settings associated with a key fob, to encourage safe driving behavior. It can limit certain vehicle features, and it prevents certain safety systems from being turned off. An in-vehicle report card gives you information on your teen's driving habits and helps you to continue to coach your new driver. Tailgate, easy lift and lower, tailgate and bed rail protection cap, top, steering, electric power steering, EPS, assist, rack and pinion, steering wheel, leather wrapped with audio and cruise controls. Stop by today for a must-own Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LD. Come see us at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3. Just minutes away.